Oh, Jesus, in every heartbeat, you are near. Your love is stronger than my fear. When the world feels cold and lonely, you remind my heart I'm never alone. Through every dream and every shadow, your gentle light keeps leading me home. I lift my eyes, I call your name. Forever you remain the same. Jesus, your love is all I need.